Hi, you want to have a good start to your dance party at your wedding? Here's a couple quick tips to help make that happen. Number one, have the DJ announce at the end of dinner, end of toast, whatever it is, for everyone to get on the dance floor to take a big old group photo. We will hop on chairs, we will yell at people to get them to line up and to get bunched together, and then we take a group photo. Honestly, the photos never really look good and don't often turn out well, but hey, now everyone's on the dance floor. Number two, talk to your DJ beforehand and choose a really good first dance song. Like not first dance like you and your new spouse dance song, but like a first dance party song. Because nothing is like a bigger mood killer than just like everyone's out there, everyone's ready to party, and like a slow song comes on. So as much as like I hate this song because we hear it so often at a wedding, but like have them play Uptown Funk or like Dancing Queen or something like that, something that's really fun that everyone knows, that everyone dances to, everyone can sing along to, so at the moment the photo is done and everyone's on the dance floor, he hits play, song comes on, super fun, everyone's there, and everyone just starts dancing and having fun right away. There's just a couple quick tips to help your dance party feel fun and to just make the most out of your night.